Hey everyone! In this video we take a look at the brand new Selling Partner API SDK and how to integrate it. Let's get started. Selling Partner API SDK is a collection of software development tools in one installable package. Simplify the integration with Selling Partner API by adding it to your application. Define which API should be called. Add the required data, and the SDK will take care of connecting to Amazon's backend and delivering the response to your application. In order to understand the benefits of the SDK and why you should use it, let's have a quick look at how developers are integrating with SP API today. Developers need to build and test integration code themselves. Every time the API changes, they need to change their code as well. By using the SDK, all of these activities are taken care of by Amazon. As you will see shortly, integration is a matter of minutes. Maintenance and testing is handled by Amazon, and a new version will be released whenever the API changes. This saves you time and effort, which can be used to build exciting and innovative functionalities instead. The SDK is publicly available on GitHub and distributed to common package managers for easy integration. Currently, we support Java, PHP, JavaScript, and Python, but we are planning to expand to additional programming languages based on your demand. Let's have a look at integrating the Python SDK into your application. We will use PyCharm and pip for the demo, but it will also work with any other IDE or package manager supporting Python. First, we need to open the requirements.txt file and add the SDK dependency. Visit GitHub or PyPy to get the latest version. Next, create a virtual environment and run pip install to download the SDK dependency. Finally, we can start using the SDK. In order to call an operation, you need to configure credentials, enter your individual client ID, secret, refresh token, and region. Create an instance for a specific API client, for example Sellers API. Call an operation, for example, Sellers API.operation. Easily access response attributes by using existing response models. Congratulations! You successfully integrated the SDK. This brings us to the end of this video. The provided information showed you that Selling Partner API SDK is the go-to resource for integrating SP API, and integration is a matter of minutes. Get started today! Links with further information are provided in the description below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!